I can't. What am I doing? What am I doing? I got glue in my eye. We're looking. This is so messy, this challenge. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back with another video, all things Tori 123. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back with the challenge. This is a challenge that you can do yourself. Okay, you don't need nobody for this challenge. If you want somebody to add with you, okay, cool, but you really can do this challenge yourself, and it's fun as hell. So we're going to do the challenge where we're putting our makeup on in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, sis. In the clip before, y'all saw the makeup products that I'm going to be using, so pray for me that we get this done. All right, the first letter of the alphabet is A. Do I have anything with A? No. B? Nope. C? Yes, we have something with C, and that is concealer, guys. Concealer. Oh my God, y'all. And I'm going to be applying it by finger as well, because I don't have my brush, so we're going to turn this into two challenges. We're applying it by our finger, period. So usually, you know, we'll put concealer here. And I think that's how we put it, because, yeah, that's literally what we be putting it, so. Let me just, oh my God. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna, I don't know how I got so much on that side. This side is doing good. I put too much on the side, but we gonna try to, you know, blend it out. I don't know, this, oh my God. So we can make that work. Okay, that's that. Blend the forehead in. All right, so we're done with that. That look pretty. We also have contour for C. This is the contour palette. This one. So this will be, so that's the highlighter contour. This is the one to bring color back to your face. So I'm just gonna put it where I normally put it at. So, you know, usually I like to put it here. And I'll be doing my cheeks like this. Oh my God. We're just gonna have faith in the process. I'm just looking in the mirror, y'all. Here. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Okay, so we getting color back to our face. You know, we put it a little bit under your chin. I know y'all laughing at me making that face, but that's what you gotta put to get those areas. That's how they say you suck your face in like a duck. All right, so A, B, C, D. We don't have anything for D. E. E is like eyelashes. So I got that. The glue, eyelash glue, and then we have those are the ones that's coming next. If you stayed this long, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Alright, y'all. You want it to get a little tacky, but don't put the glue like wet, extra wet. This stuff always puts me out of breath. Okay, so we're gonna proceed. We're gonna try without stabbing myself in the eye. Okay, I'm sorry, I gotta get close to the mirror. My nails is not helping. So, y'all, I got glue in my eye. Oh my God, no, we're not doing, Oh shit, y'all see that? No, I'm leaving the eyelashes alone. Yeah, I don't know about these eyelashes. I don't know. We're gonna try one more time. I'm trying to be a good sport. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. All right, so basically, this is how the eyelashes is going right now. So we're gonna put the other one on. Y'all, usually I have a better eyelash than this, but the purpose of this video is to be funny, so I'm just not gonna be a bad sport, even though I'm getting very aggravated right now. I think it's my nails that's getting in my way or whatever, because I'm doing what all the other females do. They hold their eyelashes with this, and my nails are so long that it's just not working. I don't know. Usually I can put eyelashes on right, but you know, I ain't doing it so long. I think that's what that is too. Cause y'all saw my eyelashes in other videos, they be on right. Today, I don't know what's going on, but that's my second time applying it, and I'm not finna mess my eye up, so we're gonna keep it like this. This video was not about makeup perfect. It was about doing the challenge, and that's what we're doing. That one came out way better than this one. All right, so we done with that. Eyelashes E, eye glue E, eyeshadow E. This color right here, like vibrant. They pop, they really do pop. This eyelash is getting in my way. The eyelash that I messed up is getting in my way, for real. Okay. Now we're gonna bring the lighter one for a highlight, so my eyes can pop. Do you think they popping? Cause I think they popping. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Face primer by LA Colors. Again, they got some good products. So you know, you just gonna put some on your, like a gel. And this is used to moisturize your face, but this is gonna be messed up that we're putting it over our face now. Like, this is messed up. So I'm just gonna rub some here. Put some gel on your face, put some gel on your face, put some gel on your face. So we're gonna rub that out. Oh my God, it's making my makeup come off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so that's how we're looking. This is so messy, this challenge. F. Let me get my towel. F is for foundation. What is this? Oh. Oh my God, this is the one without the spatula. So we're gonna put some on our hand. Like about that much. Gonna use my finger. Ooh. So we're just gonna slap it on there. What's my hair? Slap it on there. Slap. Slap. That way. Period. It was getting on everything. Slap it on there. We getting our bang for that buck. You know what I mean? Period. All right, so we're gonna mix it in with our fingers. Oh my God. Oh. We're gonna just rub it in. The next step will be going outside like this. Oh, what the fuck happened? All right, so my camera cut off. But anyway, we was talking about smoothing it down there. So that's what we doing. We're gonna smooth our foundation for a flawless look. You can make this foundation full coverage or, you know, partially coverage. And yeah. Okay. So we got that out the way. Just closing my products really quick. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, we got the eyeliner. That's E2, so let's go ahead and draw that on. Oh Lord. Oh, you look good. I think we going through. Oh, it's okay. E, F. What's F I get? That's S. We see E, F, G. What is this mascara? H, I, J, K. H, I, J, K. L, lip gloss, because my lips was getting dry as hell. Let's put our lip gloss on. Vitamin E and coconut oil. A lip gloss talking. A lip gloss cool. Would you check me out at school? All right, L. A, B, C, D, U, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Mascara. Ooh, my eyelashes look so good. Is they popping move? They stand out? Y'all let me know in the comments below. And the last two products I have is S. So we have Wet n Wild Loose Setting Powder. Alright, y'all, so my camera is running out of storage. So I have to quickly stop and hurry up or shoot videos. But if you got this far, you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Sweary gang, Vlogtober, period. So this is where we are. Okay. Oh shit, I let it sit too long. But we really gotta work this mug. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I wonder if this is gonna give me that ghost look when I'm taking pictures. It's all in my hair. Oh my God. All right, so we got all that blended in. All right. So our very last product that we have is our setting spray. Baby, we finna set this look. Close your eyes and don't breathe. Don't open your eyes till dry. Fan it out. I can't open my eyelashes back. I closed my eyes so tight. Ooh. All right, so this is the finished look, guys. If you like this video, let me know if you're gonna do this challenge in the comments below. And yeah, I feel like this is a banger. If y'all want a close up, you know, I could have blended my lines into my hairline a little better. But overall, I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. I don't know. But this challenge was definitely fun to do. So yeah, I think y'all should do it. And yeah, hashtag Team Tori if you made it this far. I appreciate you guys for always tuning in and showing me love and support. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.